Package speed, it's currently 70 packs per minute. It's been over a minute. Speed once again. So we stopped because the window was open, and we get the alarm on the screen. It's open. And now, for example, it is giving us paper low signal, putting back some of the stack, and we will see, yeah, the only remaining error is door closed. Door is also cleared. This is a shortcut for us to test the high speed. Normally you will be able to test it when giving a input signal from the dry contact,